Good morning, students. Welcome to the phonics class. And our today's letter is letter I. Yes, it is a vowel I. And the sound of I is E. 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 Exactly. Now, we will read some words from the sound E. And as you know, we always start reading the words with the word family. So, our first family is I, D, id. And the words are id, hid, k, id, kid, l, id, lid. Second family is ig, ig. And the words are d, ig, dig, ig, fig, p, ig, pig. Next is in. And the words are b, in, bin, p, in, pin, t, in, tin. And the next family is ip, ip. And the words are r, ip, rip, s, ip, sip, z, ip, zip. Yes, so these are the words you need to read it. And as I always say, read it aloud. Very good. Take care. Bye bye.